What if I told you there's a bike that looks like a super sport beast, rides like butter, and forgives your newbie mistakes like a wise old sensei? Meet the Yamaha R3, the bike that says, "I got you, bro." Today we're diving deep into one of the most popular beginner bikes out there. The Yamaha R3. Is it worth your money? Is it just hype? And more importantly, can you still look cool while stalling at a red light on it? Let's find out. Lightweight, 375 lbs, 170 kg, easy to control. 300cc parallel twin engine, smooth power delivery. Looks like a super sport, but won't yeet you into a tree. Beginner-friendly seating position and handling. This thing's got the heart of a tiger, but the manners of a golden retriever. You get the thrill without the threat. 42 horsepower. Not a rocket, but it'll definitely go. Tops around 110-115 mph, 180 km/h. Fun for city and twisties, but not ideal for long highway trips. Sure, a 1000cc superbike will blow your socks off, but it'll also blow your license away. The R3? It lets you live. Versus Ninja. 400, Ninja's more powerful, but R3 is lighter. Versus KTM, RC 390. RC is more aggressive, R3 more chill. Versus CBR 500R. Heavier, pricier, R3 more agile. It's like choosing between pizza, burgers, and tacos. But the R3 is the reliable, cheesy pepperoni that never disappoints. Not much torque low end. May feel underpowered as you gain experience. Stock tires and brakes are meh. It's not perfect. But hey, neither are you. And look how far you've come. Beginners who want confidence and style. Riders commuting or learning basic control. Smaller riders who want lightweight and easy reach. If you're just starting out, the R3 is like that chill friend who teaches you pool without embarrassing you. So, is the Yamaha R3 the best beginner bike? Maybe, but it's definitely one of the safest, coolest, and most forgiving entry points into motorcycling. And that, my friend, makes it a win. Call to action. What's your take? Would you pick the R3 or go straight for the Ninja 400? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more.